Well, how about this timing again? I'm here in downtown Stillwater on the day before the 4th of July, or 2 days before the 4th of July, and they have a car show right on the river. Oh, look at this. Wow.
One? Okay.
There's the ZZ Top car. And here's what I got, the car I wanted as soon as I got my driver's license. The tranny. And here's the main line of cars. They've got like 3 rows of them.
We were watching. We were getting ready to play.
Here's an MGB 1980 convertible.
It's like if he had just parked, you know, close to the curb.
Like a normal car.
A Chevelle. Hot dogs.
And I thought, okay, it's just because it's so cold out there.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Holy crap, look at this Camaro, red Camaro convertible. Here's a go-kart.
Yeah, I know.
Got live music out here. Look at this one. A 49er rod. Here's another row of cars. Here we have a Duster, Plymouth Duster. I remember with a 344 barrel in it. One of my friends in high school had one of these. Mopar. And here's an old Cadillac convertible. My dad had a purple one. Well, there's another block of cars. And another Corvette. Look at that long hood for the engine. A Thunderbird. Chevy. Oh, looky here. $598. Power Trip Racing. Here's a Malibu. I even forgot those existed. It's been such a long time. Beautiful day for a car show. And there's a Barracuda. I actually had a 69 Barracuda. It was smaller than this one though. This is one of the larger Barracudas. Commando 273. Here's a Fiero. And the engine on this one is actually in the back. You can see the battery up here and the cooling radiator system up here. But the engine's back here, look at this. Look at that. Wow. Well, I don't know what the hell this is, but look at that. It's got a keg of beer down there. Got, looks like old milk cartons up there. You can barely read it, but it says free air. Something company, Flex Company. Look at this. This is what you don't normally see at a car show, but here it is. There's the horns. And they're leaving it just as it is, good enough to drive. Wow. Well, it's got air suspension and brand new tires, but everything else is original.